Hello guys, it's your guy Pierre. Welcome back to the Rocket Series Academy. Today we are going to be designing the 10th and final part of the Rocket series. Firstly, we are going to draw the external portion of the part, making sure that you consider this as an arc and not an inclined line. Then we are going to drill a hole and equally perform threading operation. We equally have fillets and chamfer. Let's dive into the project. File, new, part, units, inch, sketch, front plane, line command, smart dimension, 1.250, line command, smart dimension, diameter 0.95 divided by 2, length 0.25, line command, smart dimension 0.48. From the origin to this point, 1 inch, arc command, 3-point arc from this point right up to this point. Smart dimension from the lower end of the arc to the origin, 0.225. The radius of the arc, 1.671. Sketch fully defined. Fillet command, fillet of radius 0.06. Select this point, go for the green check. Circle command, draw 3 circles. Select the circle, hold control, select the circle, hold control, select the circle. Make relation equal. Smart dimension, diameter 0.065. From the center of the circle to the origin, 0.332. Length 0.45. Center of the circle to the origin, 0.395. Length 0.61. Center of the circle to the origin, diameter 0.44 inch. Length 0.77 inch. Circle command, smart dimension, diameter 0.831. Select the center of the circle, hold control, select this point, make relation horizontal. Smart dimension, the distance from the center of the circle to the origin, 1.274. Trim entity, power trim selected. Trim to closeness selected. Go for the green check. Top sketch. Feature. Revolve base. Axis of revolution, this axis, quantum, go for the green check. By selecting this face, sketch, circle command, smart dimension 0.850, 0.65, feature extrude cut, blind selected, extrusion of 0.07. Go for the green check. Select this face, sketch, circle command, diameter 0.126, feature extrude cut, select through all, pro wizard, thread location, inch tab selected, size 3x8/16, 3x8 is about 3.75, so this selected, end condition, blind, extrusion 0.35, go for the green check. Now the thread is not properly formed, so edit thread, offset activated, offset of 0.3, reverse offset. In order to compensate for the offset, I'm going to add 0.3 to the blind condition, plus 0.3. Go for the green check. As you can see, the thread is properly done. Fillet command, fillet of 0.02, full preview activated, this surface. Go for the green check. From the drawing we got an internal fillet, fillet command 0.025, full preview selected. Go for the green check. Chamfer command, chamfer of 0.01 at 45 degree, full preview selected. Select this surface and this surface. Go for the green check. Material, edit material 6061, TS, apply, close. Click on the body, come to appearance, body. The appearance look orange, so I'm going to select this. Go for the green check. With this, we are done with VMS project 17. If you have any question regarding this project, do well to contact us by Facebook or by email, or even leaving a comment in the commenting box. In the next tutorial, we are going to be generating the M&G code required for VMS project 17. Keep liking the video, keep sharing, keep commenting. Thanks a lot guys. See you guys in the next tutorial.